Gyan, knowledge. Knowledge that dispels all illusions. Aham Brahmasmi. That knowledge, if you want to describe it, is thousands of suns, thousands. Look at the miracle of nature. I never worried, never experienced anxiety. And look, I'm setting up, expressing my beautiful petals. Because all Shubha Bhavana, divine feelings, they have their seat in your heart. And heart-based experience is the profound experience. If you are dreaming, in dream 3 things have gone wrong. The dream subject is not real. The dream world is not real. Dream experience is not real. Wake up to understand, who am I? As you begin to understand yourself and be settled within yourself, you find the world is not as bad as you thought it is.